Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to change the background colors on the keyboard for the Acer Nitro 5. It's really easy and simple, so just click on the NitroSense button on the keyboard, or you can click on the application here, NitroSense. So I'll just click on the keyboard. Okay, and from this application, you can pretty much view the settings of where your computer is running it, so you can see the speeds of the CPU and the fan. So we're gonna click to this button here, and this opens our keyboard option layout. So dynamic, I can change the effects on the keyboard. So you can see it's breathing. Click wave. All these other colors come up. Zoom. Our keyboard's off right now. Zoom is shifting, which is pretty cool, and neon. Changes to all these colors, which is really cool. So that's one effect. Static is you can change the zones on the keyboard. So for this, if I want a specific zone off, you can turn it off. I can change it to, let's say, different colors here. Let's go blue, and then yep, just for this demonstration, this looks pretty cool. So it definitely is a good option from the alternative red one you get. But yeah, that's pretty much how you change the colors on the keyboard. So this is the i7 edition, RTX 3050. So this is the 2021 edition. And again, you can adjust the details here. Have a play around with it, see how you go. You can always reset it back to default. But yeah, this is just a quick video on how to change the keyboard colors on the Acer Nitro 5. If you guys want any other tips and tricks on this laptop, give me a shout. I'll be free to make a video for you guys. All right, peace.